Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is the 8th of December, and this is a new release of the wave review of the Forex and cryptocurrency markets from Trade Hub. And we will start with a pair of euro-dollar. Now we have two options of next movement. First option marked on the chart. This is a triangle in wave 4, after which growth will follow within wave 5. Option 2 assumes the usual zigzag in wave 4. After which we got the leading waves 1 and 2 that also expect growth within the fifth waves. Since both options at the moment suggest growth, I added purchases. The stop for this trade is below yesterday's low. As for the franc dollar, most likely that we have wave 4 ended and we have waves 1 and 2 in downward direction. Yesterday on the correction I added short positions. Stop for this trade is behind the top of the wave 4. As for the pound, I'm still out of positions. What we got down is more look like a zigzag. Upward movement also look like a zigzag. Therefore, while we wait until a more understandable formation, I'm out of the market. For the Canadian dollar, we get a continuation of the decline. It is still within the norms of the ending diagonals. But as soon as we cross the invalidation level, this count will not be relevant anymore. And we will switch to an alternative option with the continuation of decline, which I will show you tomorrow. As for the dollar Japanese yen, we have no changes yet. At the moment we have two options. The first one double zigzag with a further upward movement, which you can see on the chart. The second one a triangle formation in wave B, also with further price increase. In this case triangle will take form of waves A, B, C, D and E. As for the Australian dollar, I return to my main option. Both options are bullish, but this one is more clear and obvious in the internal structure. I also added purchases. Stop for this trade is under wave 2. It is hard to say anything about WTI crude oil for now. I expect a downward movement to start, which should correct all this upward impulse, while I am out of the market. Standard & Poor's Index. It is likely that we get the leading diagonal within wave 1. At this point we have a clear zigzag, so I continue to keep buying, since it is also possible with the extensions and a sharp and powerful price movement in upward direction. In the gold market, after correction within the second wave, we go in upward direction. I believe that this is the beginning of a global trend with targets of $2,500. And the last for the day, Bitcoin. Sideways movement in Bitcoin is strongly dragged on. One of the options is a triangle in wave 4, which is marked on the chart. If you try to buy at current prices, then the stop can be placed under the top of wave C. I marked it on the chart. There is also an option that wave 4 of this degree will take a shape of triangle, which can still drag on for 1-2 weeks. In this case, the form of this triangle will be in such way: A, B, C, D and E. During this time, traders will gain a sufficient number of their long positions that will allow them to leave and reach the mark of 21,000–23,000 for one Bitcoin. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful for you. See you tomorrow.